my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? So, I wanted to say something before I started. I do some episodes and I see in the comments a lot of you will be saying, oh, Fumi, it's a skit, it's a skit, it's a skit. Darling, I'm fully aware that it's a skit. Fully aware. I want you to understand that don't look too much at the bottle as opposed to the wine that's in it. You're supposed to take the lesson from it. That's what I'm trying to tell you. I'm in a unique situation where I get a lot of people coming to me. Yes, I'm in a unique situation where I get a lot of Fumi Nation members who send me messages that are mirror imaging to some of the skits that I do. There are relationships where you have the ex-wife coming to the house for this, that, and the third. And so, indirectly or directly, I use these skits to respond to that individual. And in so doing, I also want it to be a situation where all of you can share. I also use some memes. Sometimes there are memes just to exaggerate the comedy in what I'm trying to teach you. So just because I don't say it does not mean that I do not know. I'm fully aware and I'm trying to talk about the lesson from it. So I needed to say that because I am here again with perhaps another skit. I think it's a skit, but I also want to tell the lesson. Okay? So I want you to sit back and enjoy this.
People don't shower too much during the winter time. Am I right?
Yes, yes.
So be honest, it's been a few days, right?
Yes.
See? Girl, you don't have to lie to me. I do nails for a long time. I sit in front of people doing pedicure. I can tell the difference between feet smell and Hello Kitty smell. Your Hello Kitty smell ew. You know, ew. So let me help you out, okay?
Hello, Kitty.
Yeah. No, girl, I lose my concentration right now. Hold on.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
I got you. I got you, girl. Here. Just clean myself up real quick.
Oh, that might be.
Yeah. One's not enough. One not enough.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. You know, it's winter time. I don't blame you. I'm not gonna, it happened, but it's cold. I know, it's cold. And sometimes...
I'm old. I get tired.
I know.
Showers are hard.
It's sting a little bit, but I just don't like the smell because sometimes at home I eat enough fish. I don't want to eat fish at the nail salon. You know? I just want to let you know. That's it. But it's okay. Don't worry. Ta-da! See, look. This is good for you, Hello Kitty.
Oh, okay.
You see?
Oh, bye.
There we go. At least the thing will push it back. Moist it up, and then I'll give you a wipe, and you can wipe it. Sounds good, man? Okay, let's go ahead and continue.
I had a girlfriend and I brought her to the house. This was our old address, and Ula jumped out of his office and said, Fumi, who is that? And I said, oh, it's da-da-da-da-da-da. And he said, I'm so sorry, Fumi, she stinks. He had to open the windows, and we opened the sitting room so that you could have air coming from one end to another. She sat down, and she said, Fumi, I know I smell. In fact, I have a reputation amongst my friends. They tell me that I'm the smelly one. So I asked her, I said, what do you use? She said that she used crystals. I said, for your underarms? She said, yes. So I said, darling, that's not good enough. you have to really wash every day, and maybe twice a day for you, because some people, sweat and it's the stale sweat that smells. Maybe you have to wash twice a day. I brought her into the bathroom. I told her to take her blouse off, and she had underarm hair, of which I gave her shaving foam and a disposable shaving stick to shave her underarms. She did that, and then I gave her, I think I have it, let me double check, hold on. And I gave her Shore deodorant, men's Shore deodorant, active dry, 48 hours. Sprayed it on her. Then I said, you have to do this every day. I am very happy to say that she came back to me about 3 weeks after, because we talked on the phone and everything. It did not mar our relationship, because I understand some people, and she came to me and she said, Fumi, thank you so very much. Thank you so very much. The odor has stopped. And she had no idea, which was so bizarre to me, because she was a woman over 40. She had no idea that she had to use deodorant. She just thought that the deodorant was just for, it wasn't that she could use crystals anyway, that she could use stones, crystals, and she would be fine. And in many ways, she didn't smell herself. Now she does. I'm happy to say that she went on to date, have a boyfriend, and today she has a son. Prior to that, she wasn't in a relationship for a very long time. Many times, I have come onto the channel and I have shown you feminine hygiene, how to clean yourself, what to do after you have had intercourse, how to take care of yourself. It is so important because it is a repellent. This gentleman was very gentle with her. If it was me, I would have gotten up. For those of you that have been here for a very long time, the worst thing I cannot stand in any way, space, I cannot stand is BO. I cannot stand it. We had a young Fumi nation who came for the meet and greet. We had a huge hall. For those of you that came to volunteer the day before, she came to volunteer the day before. I walked in and it was as if the odor smacked me on both sides of my face. I couldn't even think. And I said, absolutely not. You will spoil my event. If I do not say anything, everybody was nervous, like, oh my God, what are you going to say? I brought her in. No, I did not. I went out first and went to go and buy Shore deodorant. And then I took her upstairs and I said, my beautiful daughter, you have to clean yourself. You have to wash yourself. You have to periodically, if you're somebody that sweats, do it periodically, even if you cannot smell it. I told her to take off her blouse. We had baby white soap washed. Again, the armpit hair was there with residue stuck to the hairs. I did the best that I could. We wiped it down and I gave her the deodorant. And it subsided, and all of us, we were able to work and prepare for the following day. The following day she came and other people were saying, Fumi, thank you so very much. She smells wonderful, up until 4 p.m. And then the boom came back. That's because the hair was there, which has to be shaved. Needless to say, it was a better stance. And I communicate with her back and forth. She's a beautiful girl. She's so beautiful, so talented, so smart, so giving, so loving. I want those that have BO to embrace and receive when somebody tells you that you're smelling, that you are borderline stinking, and you are really making the entire place uncomfortable for others. Because it's a workspace. You go to work like that, you go out on dates and stuff, and you wonder why the guy didn't call you back. Personal hygiene is paramount. And I haven't even gotten to downstairs yet. You should wear cotton panties. You should be washing down there, no matter what, whether it's freezing and you're out like an Eskimo. Wash between your legs. Take soap, take warm water and wash. You can use a washcloth, you can use a sponge, you can use your hands, but wash and rinse out until, even spread your legs and make sure that you're not smelling anything. Maybe you have to shave and get rid of the hair. For my buxom girls that have a little bit more junk in the trunk, your thighs rub together and you're giving off the friction of cooking and heating over there. Open your legs, wash. If your thighs are dark on the inside, that's friction, which means you have zero oxygen air in there. And that can give off more heat, which will become stale, which will become smelly. You cannot go anywhere to a nail salon of all places and you think that that is not going to be booming. Also drink water, take lemons and limes, detox, and wash, scrub. I am going to do an episode and show you how to wash from your heads down. How you wash and how you rinse out your sponge and how you wash again. All the girly bits. You have to, my darlings. You are my daughters. I am not shy. I will not hold back. Hygiene is paramount because boys will be like, eh. Oh, no. And you see boys talk. They will go and tell their friends, she smells like a rat. And don't even attempt to go down there. You will die. Oh, yes. And these are two people that happen to. So as much as this might be a skit, I am giving you true tea. Ladies, begin to wash. Begin to wash your girly bits. Wash it every single day. If you're going to pee, you're going to poo, wipe, smell it. And if you can't smell, you know what? Be safe. Just rinse it out. The most repugnant turn off for me is BO. And there are a lot of people that go out with halitosis, bad mouth odor. Take mints. Take a mint. Take a mint if you're not sure. If you're in the workspace, remember your mouth, your armpit, and your private area. Think about that and say to yourself, maybe, and you go to the bathroom, you wash, you brush your teeth after you have eaten. Make sure you brush your tongue. If you want me to revive and do all of these episodes, you know what? No, I will do them again for you. Okay, my darlings? So that's what I have to tell you, that we are coming back with personal hygiene out here in these streets. I want you girls to be fabulous. I want you to be feminized. I want you to look beautiful and dressed. And of course, for those of you that are saying, Fumi, I love this. It's a twisted shirt. I have an episode for you also where you can see it, where I've done it for you. You're going to live and love it. I want you to be timeless. You don't need the money. Just make sure that you're clean. You brush your teeth. You brush your tongue. You wash your underarms. You shave your underarms. You shave your Hello Kitty. You trim all of that. You make sure that you wipe from the front to the back. You don't wipe from the back to the front and bring all the feces in front. You do not wash like that. You make sure that your nails are cleaned, manicured, and filed. You comb your hair. You brush your hair when you go out. You look smart. You don't go out wearing slippers like a slob. You are fabulous, my darling. And that is your way in introducing yourself to the world when you walk out every day. I dress like this every day. Me? Yes, I do. I do not do anything less because I'm Fumidesaluvold. All right, my darlings, don't forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button, and I'll see you I'll see you sooner than later. Mwah. All of my love.
Hi guys, my name is ENITAN, hair coach. I am UK's first ever hair coach and a trichologist. We are a team of trichologists and hair coaches here in W6 London, and we help those who are desperate and have tried and everything else has failed. We look after those who have chronic scalp concerns, flaky, itchy scalp that's been going on for many years. We help those that have hair loss that has progressed instead of improved, and we help those that just generally want to have a better understanding of better quality hair, length, volume, and reduce that dryness. Visit us by clicking